started working as a healer, he did not relish his role, as it required his being called at all hours of the day and traveling to distant places. Eventually, he gave up his saragudon or spirit guides, which came in the form of chickens. One he sold and the other he killed, to signify that he was giving up his being a healer. He has taken to drinking tobacco or a native alcoholic drink daily to offset his sleep problem and anxiety symptoms. He has consulted a physician for his back problem, but he did not reveal his other symptoms, which he attributed to giving up his role as a healer. Do you think he would consult a psychiatrist? He does not even know what a psychiatrist is. So what are our concepts of health and illness in Iloilo? Dr. Juliana Sineriches, an Ilongga psychiatrist, in her paper on traditional healers in the Philippines, published in a Philippine Journal of Psychiatry in 1984, said, "Handed down by history is the rich spiritual world of the Ilonggo. He sees himself interacting with the spiritual as well as the physical environment. The Ilonggo spiritual world combines the pagan gods and spirits of the pre-Christian era with a chiefly Christian god, angels, saints, and demons, and the deeply respected elders, ancestors, or dead. Thus, to the Ilonggo, health is a holistic experience of balanced relationships with the physical, social, and spiritual worlds. He recognizes that his body and mind are affected by his interpersonal relationships and his relationships with the spirits, benevolence and malevolence, inhabiting other dimensions of his world. Illness is then seen as the visible manifestation of an effect of the human body and mind brought about by a violation of natural, moral, and spiritual worlds. It is not uncommon for the present-day Ilonggo to attribute behavioral aberration to a courtship by the tamawu, friendly or evil spirits believed to fill the air, or a malicious form of hexing or hiwit, by some people able to invoke the spirits to inflict pain on their enemies, or to possession by the devil himself, or to tuyaw, which is some kind of an anxiety attack or fever caused by the longing of a deceased kin, who may be asking the living for prayers, or to gaba, curse, by a displeased elder. This causation scheme is as real to the Ilonggo as the observed familial incidents of some psychosis. These were substantiated by another Ilonggo psychiatrist, Dr. Victor Amantillo Jr., in his paper, A Study of Beliefs and Practices of Traditional Healers in Alimujan, Iloilo, regarding mental illness. He loosely categorized the etiology of mental illnesses according to the healers he interviewed into 5 categories. The first is biological or physiological, which are nagmara ang utok or the brain dried up, natayunan kahangin or air entered the body, bughat or relapse of a previous illness, meningitis, hilanat or fever, delirio or delirium, and drugs. Second is hereditary or surundon. Third is emotional, which comes as problema, loco de amor, sobra ang pagpaminsar or excessive worry, and sobra ang aram or excessive intelligence. So people in this room should be aware, you are all, because of your excessive intelligence, you are all vulnerable to becoming mentally ill. And fourth, workings of other people, usually mediated by sorcerers. These come in the form of tistis, lumay, hiwit, and barang. And lastly, workings of the spiritual world, which come in the form of sabid, tuyaw, nabugnuhan or greeted by evil spirit or people with evil breath. Nagapabatsyag ang mga kalab or signs from the souls, usually those of persons who died sudden violent deaths, And there are a lot because of this flood. Waay pagsunod sa surundon o kung paranoblian or refusal to heed the calling to be a healer. May saragudon or has some supernatural beings to take care of, or nahamutan katamawo or has some supernatural or liked by the spirits, na pierde ang dungan or one spirit or soul was defeated by another, and nag-adto sa mariit or strayed to a forbidden place associated with supernatural beings and wara na nabitabi. No? He comments that most of the mental illnesses are attributed to the workings of the spiritual world or the workings of man with some intercession of the spiritual world. Even if the main cause of the mental problem is organic, emotional, or hereditary, the influence of the spiritual world is still to be considered, as it is the spirits which allow or prevent the manifestations of the illness. One might wonder if this still holds true up to now in 2008, Baha and all. Even with the presence of a good number of psychiatrists in Iloilo, outside Metro Manila, Iloilo has the most number of psychiatrists. Dr. Margaret